Hey guys, so my dream job would be what I talked about earlier in my video. I really want to be a dental hygienist. I want to go back to school after I graduate from here with my nutrition degree because I want to work in a gym of some type and help athletes with diet plans. This is my dream job because I'm an athlete, and last year, whenever we were up here lifting weights, it was hard for me to stay on the right diet, and we were gaining a lot of weight whenever we were lifting weights. But it's important for us to stay small but toned on the cheer team if you're a top girl. So I had to learn a lot about my nutrition, and I lost on my way over the summer because I was eating the right things, so I got really interested in it. I'm interested in dental hygiene because I am obsessed with teeth. I had braces. I loved going to the orthodontist, honestly, and I don't mind going to the dentist, but it's a really great job. You get to interact with people. I'm really good with communication, and that's just why I'm interested in that job. My sister-in-law does it, and she loves it. You get to make your own schedule, and you get paid very well. Um, this class, I plan on learning about organic foods, like I talked about earlier, and what grocery store is best to shop at. So hopefully in the future, whenever I do make diet plans for people, I can let them know where to go shop and what foods are best for them as they're working out. Two or three action steps that I plan to take on would be after I learn about the grocery stores, I plan to go visit them, and I plan to start getting familiar with the grocery stores and what foods work better, maybe trying out different things. For my dental hygienist job, I plan to job shadow more. Like I said, my sister in law is in the program, so I plan to job shadow her, learn her hours, learn what she does on a daily basis, and those are my steps.